Hello viewers, let us look at what this smart digital multimeter can do. I am going to do a demonstration of how to use it, practical demonstration with some of the electronics and component that I have here. I have a capacitor here, I have battery, DC battery, I have a diode, resistor, choke, resistor, power source. I have power source here, that is 220 volts, and other necessary instrument that would be needed for this particular demonstration. So let us delve into the demonstration without further delay. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the meter. This is the okay. Let me put it on. Okay, you can see I have been able to power this very meter on. So we are going to use the first variation here. This is for capacitor. You can see the nanofarad here. There is a sign of then there is the symbol for a capacitor. Then we look at the reading here. So this is a capacitor here. This is a 35 microfarad by 450 volts. You can see it. This is 35. So I am going to test this very capacitor right now with the probe. I don't know if we are seeing it very well. Okay, so let me test that we can see the reading. Okay, this is the two terminals. Let's see what is going to. You can see this is showing 35 microfarads. So this is set on capacitance. So we've been able to see the capacitance of this very capacitor. That is 35 microfarads. So I've been able to test this. I can as well change the polarity, but that doesn't matter here. This is a digital meter, so it's going to give us exactly the same thing. It can only read the other way around if you are using analog, but this particular meter is a digital meter. Okay, so let us move to the next line. Okay, this is for ohm. So let's test. This is a choke resistor. You can see. So this is 270 ohms. Let me test and see what it's going to give me. It's 270, you can see, although it's not steady. So let me reduce it. I think it's beyond. Let me put it to ohm direct. Okay, you can see this is 270 ohms. Okay, so we go over to this very carbon resistor, carbon type resistor. Now you've seen that the reading is beyond the resistor here. The reading is beyond ohms, 100. So let me increase it to mega ohms. So this is giving us 100 kilo ohms. You can see exact 100 kilo ohms. If you can see it, this is 100 kilo ohms. This is brown, black, yellow. Brown, black, yellow, 100 kilo ohms. Then the next in line, let me adjust. The next is Okay, we've been able to exhaust this particular. Let's go over to this side. Okay, this is DC. So I'm going to test for this battery. There's a battery here, a finger battery. So this is 1.5 volts exact, 1.5 volts DC reading. Okay, let me adjust it. This is AC. Let us see the voltage here. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, hope you can see it. Okay, this is AC. This is 214. You can see 214 volts. Okay, and another one. This is for diode. So I am going to test this diode here. This is a diode. You can see the diode. So let's see, test and see what it's going to give us. 0.55. You can see. Then I will have to interchange the polarity. So you're showing that it's okay. So you can see the accuracy. Okay, now we've been able to test these very components that is before us. Here, okay, here is the non-contact voltage induction. This requires testing for electron or current carrying conductor in a conductor or any surface or any contact that carries electricity. With this, you don't need to touch, you need to bring it closer. So I am going to plug this microscope that is before me here. I'm going to plug the cord here. This is the cord. So here I am going to test if there is voltage by bringing it closer. You can see. You can see. I'm going through the cable. It's dictating electron. Okay, let me unplug it right now. Have you seen? It's unplugged. If I plug it in, can you see it? So with this, you can dictate where there is a fault inside a conduit pipe. You know where there is break of wire or fault along the line. So with this very non-contact voltage induction setting, you can do a lot of things with this, or dictate a shocking equipment that has a fault with this. Okay. So okay, now this is live. This particular one I switched over. It's written live. Now we are going to use this as a tester to dictate which one is live or neutral here. You don't need a tester screwdriver to do that. Like if I put it here, if it's live, it will show sign by giving out the alarm. You can see this is the live. You understand? Then here is the neutral, and this is the live stamina. Okay, having shown that, this one is frequency. It's beyond the scope of this demonstration. And another thing that we've been able to demonstrate the DC, the AC, the diode. Then this one is the non-contact voltage induction. Then the live. Now mm, here okay, let me show you the camera behind. There's a camera. No, touch behind. You can see the touch. You can put it off as well. Okay. So having demonstrated all these, you've seen the basic use of this very uh, smart digital multimeter. That will be all for today. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye for now.